Which TradingView plan is the right launching pad for your trading journey? It's a question many newcomers grapple with, staring at a list of features and price points, wondering where to even begin. You're eager to dive into charts, analyze price action, and maybe even test out some strategies, but the different tiers of TradingView, from basic to premium, can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, you're not alone. Think of TradingView as your pilot's cockpit for navigating the financial markets. Just like a real cockpit has essential instruments, TradingView offers tools to help you understand market trends. As a beginner, you don't need every single bell and whistle right away. You need the fundamental instruments to learn how to fly. The good news is that TradingView's basic, free plan is surprisingly robust and often sufficient for new traders. It provides access to real-time market data, with some exchange limitations, a wide array of charting tools, numerous indicators, and the ability to create custom watch lists. You can save a few chart layouts and even participate in the vibrant TradingView community. For someone just starting to learn about technical analysis, identifying chart patterns, and experimenting with basic indicators like moving averages or RSI, the basic plan offers a fantastic, risk-free environment to learn and practice. However, as you progress and your analysis becomes more sophisticated, you might start bumping into the limitations of the free plan. For instance, the basic plan restricts you to a limited number of indicators per chart and saved chart layouts. If you find yourself wanting to compare multiple indicators simultaneously or switch between several different chart setups for various assets, you might feel constrained. This is where the paid plans come in. The Essential Plan, the next step up, increases the number of indicators per chart and saved layouts. It also unlocks ad-free charting, which can significantly improve your focus. For beginners who are starting to get serious and want a slightly more streamlined experience, the Essential Plan offers a good balance of features without a hefty price tag. The Plus and Premium plans offer even more advanced features like increased data feeds, priority customer support, and more sophisticated alerting systems. While these are powerful tools, they are generally geared towards more experienced traders who require in-depth analysis and real-time, high-frequency data. As a beginner, you'll likely find that the basic or perhaps the Essential Plan will adequately meet your needs as you build your foundational knowledge and develop your trading style. Ultimately, the best plan for a beginner is the one that allows you to learn and practice effectively without unnecessary complexity or cost. Start with the free basic plan, explore its features, and as your understanding and needs evolve, you can always consider upgrading to a paid plan. Don't feel pressured to start with the most expensive option. Focus on mastering the fundamentals first. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.